V minus T. Vertically upwards of 15. Your acceleration is minus 9.8. Because your bullet is being fired straight up into the air. Your S value, please remember that S is displacement, not distance covered. So, for example, if your bullet went up 50 meters and dropped 10 meters, and the other bullet came up and hit it, they both have an S value of 40 then, because they're 40 away from their original starting point. By this logic, they both have the same. By this logic, they both have the same S value. If that makes sense, right? Now, how to relate the T variables to each other. One of them's up a half a second longer than the other one. So you make the smaller one T and the larger one T plus 0.5. And then the other one is sent up with 22.65. And the V's are irrelevant. Now, the X values are the same. What we can do is ut plus a half at squared. And what we can get is x equals 15 times t plus 0.5 plus a half 9.8 t squared, which is t plus 0.5 squared. Okay, that's going to be difficult to multiply out, so it's going to be 15t plus 7.5 minus 4.9 t squared plus 1t plus 0.25. The maths on this isn't right. Now, 15t plus 7.5 minus 4.9 t squared minus 4.9t, and then a quarter of 4.9, which is 1.225. The x value therefore is equal to 4.9 t squared 10.1 t 10.1 t, and then 7.5 take away 1.225, 6.275 t. All right. Lucky for us, the next one's going to be a bit easier. It's going to be x equals ut, so it's going to be 22.65 t plus a half at squared, which is going to be minus 4.9 t squared. That's your lot. The two of these are going to equal each other, aren't they? So because they're going to equal each other, you can say 22.65 minus 4.9 t squared. Yes, Michael? Why is there t at the end of the last? Oh, thank you. This one here should be just a regular number. And is there another one? No. Just that? There's no point. It might be 8.75. 7.5 take away 1.225. 6.275? Yes, I know what's written there. Oh, sorry, the point disappeared there. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, no, it's good. It wasn't visible. You're right. You're right to pull me up for that. Thanks. Now, the 4.9s cancel. And I'm going to end up with 10.1t equals 22.65 take away 6.275. 10.375 divided by 10.1. It's an odd number. T equals 1.62. Happy with that. See what happens here. They have T equals 1. They got T equals 1, so pop up an error somewhere. It's probably in this one here, isn't it? All right, let's figure it out. 15T minus 7.5. I think we're good. Do you see the error? Here. Ah, I have it written there as well, don't I? That's shocking. That's terrible. All right, so I just forgot the T from here to here. Okay, so once again, if you rush, you're in problems. So let's do this one more time. 22.65, take away 10.1. I'm going to get 12.55, thank you. And then I want the t-value to be 1, don't I? T-value is 1. 1. Alright, give me a look at this. Oh, it's actually okay. I have a different system to them. So my t-value is actually, did you get t-value of 0.5? Huh? 0.5? Did you use minus or plus? Yeah, that's perfect. So if I get a t-value of 0.5, that makes that a t-value of 1 when I add in my 0.5. And then the other one's going to be a t-value of 0.5. So those guys are different from the solution. Doesn't mean you've gone the wrong route. Okay, both routes gave it the same answer. Okay, perfect. Now let's have a look at this. The masses coalesce and collide, and what does that mean? Huh? They come together while colliding. Now, we're going to need the V values, aren't we? What? Oh, the height value. Yeah, my bad. Shh. Lads, I'm also going to get the height value while I'm here. X equals 22.65. It's in the it's in the air for 1 second. Sorry. No. It's in the air for 0.5. So 0.5 minus 4.9, 0.5 squared. What you get for that, you? No worries, I'll get it done now. What? 7.1. 10.1, thanks. 10.1 meters, everybody. Lob it in, you'll get it. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to do we have to find the v values of both of them. Okay. So v equals u plus at. So the first one is 15 take away 9.8 t. V equals 15 minus 9.8 times 1. What's 15 times 9.8 times 1? Alright. So it's on its way upwards at 5.2. The other one is 22.56 minus 9.8 times what? 0.5, because it's only in the air for 0.5. So what happens there? Keeps telling me there's no ink in the, even though I'm not trying to print, so 17.66. Okay. Are we happy with 17.66? Now, here's what's happening.
Not 22.65.
No, did I? Yep. What you got down, Killian?
17.75.
Thanks. Alrighty. We good? Now, you gotta show yourself a bit of a picture here, okay? What happens is one of them is on its way up with 5.2. The other one collides directly in behind it at 17.75. Okay? So, by our logic, M1U1 plus M2 U2, it's going to be, what's the mass of the first one? And the other one? 60 and 40, right? 60 times 5.2 plus 40 times 17.75. They combine together. So what's both their masses combined? They combine into 100 grams and they have an unknown speed v. Okay? So it's going to be 100 v equals the two of them combined. So 60 by 5.2 plus 40 times 17.75. I got 1022, which means a v value of, so we're happy with 10.22. So the combined mass is going up at 10.22. On its way up. Okay. Now, what do I have to find out? The greatest height it will reach. Alright, no bother. What are we going to do with this? How high in the air is it currently? Before we even begin. Huh? Yeah. 10.1 meters in the air currently. And now the combined mass is going to go an additional height into the air as well, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to say it's, we're going to UVAS this. U is 10.22. V is 0. A is minus 9.8. S is what we're looking for. So let's use v squared equals u squared plus 2as. And we're going to get 0 equals 10.22 squared minus 19.6 s. Alright, square 10.22. So it's going to be 104.4484. And this is going to be 19.6 s. And divide that by 19.6. And we get a distance of 5.329. Will we get full marks for that? What do I have to do? Add on your 10.1. And we get 15.429. Right. What year was that?